Hello everyone. Today we will solve one numerical from GATE 2020 and of RSC that has been asked, and similar type of question also asked in BARC 2020 exam, but BARC is not releasing its paper. So just by memory base, I can say that uh, the the question was same, just only numerical value was changed. Okay. So the question is given here: moist air at 105 kilopascal, 30 degrees Celsius, and 80% relative humidity flows over a cooling coil in an insulated air conditioning duct. Saturated air exits the duct at 100 kilopascal and 15 degrees Celsius. Here underline the saturated air, and the saturation pressure of water at 30 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius, it is given 4.24 and 1.7 kilopascal respectively, and molar weight of the water and air is given. So what you have to find is the mass of water condensing out from the duct in gram per kg of dry air. Friends, the unit is very important because what we are doing is when we are calculating the whole numerical, but the unit asked in question is different, so we will lose our marks. So I request you all to see the what unit they have asked and how much round of integer. Okay, how much round of in a decimal or integer. Okay, so we will use two formulas for this. One is this formula for relative humidity. Phi is equal to partial pressure of water vapor at that condition, and the saturated pressure. Okay, saturation pressure at that condition, and this is equation for specific humidity. Okay, this is specific humidity 0.622, partial pressure of water vapor upon total pressure of air minus partial pressure of water vapor. Okay, and the specific humidity coming out from this equation is in terms of kg per kg of dry air. Okay, sorry, the unit that is coming up after using this equation of the specific humidity is kg per kg of dry air. Okay, so what the question is given, the here I have drawn the schematic at condition 1. Okay, so this is the condition number 1 and this is condition number 2. So air is entering at this given condition 105 kilopascal, 80% humidity, and saturated air is exiting, and it is given that the mass of water condensing out from the duct. So just look at this: 30 degrees Celsius initial temperature and 15 degrees Celsius is uh, exit temperature. So the temperature is decreasing, and it is also asked the condensed mass of condensed water. So humidity also decreasing. So this is a question of cooling and dehumidification. If you put on this condition on psychrometry chart, so you will find this question is cooling and dehumidification. Okay, so uh, let's start. So for inlet condition, that means at 30 degrees Celsius, uh, saturation pressure saturation pressure is given to us, so we can find partial pressure of water vapor. Okay, it is 4.24 multiplied by 0.8. Okay, so we can find it 3.392 kilopascal. Okay, now use the equation of specific humidity and put this value. So PT is 105 kilopascal total pressure, and just we have just found the partial pressure of water vapor 3.392. Okay, so put this equation. So you will find the specific humidity is 0.020 kg per kg of dry air. Okay, same thing. Now the what it is given as saturated air at exit. That means the relative humidity at exit is 100%. So whatever the partial saturation pressure, it will become partial pressure of the water vapor at that exit condition. So it is given as a 1.7 kilopascal. Okay, again put all this value in a specific humidity equation. 0.622 into 1.7, and upon the total pressure it is given as 100 kilopascal. Okay, at the exit of the duct total pressure is 100 kilopascal. So when you solve this, it will come out to be 0.010 kg per kg of dry air. Now, whatever and air is entering, it has some specific humidity and exiting. So that difference between the specific humidity is that much amount of the water that has been drained out. Okay, I hope you understand. Whatever the air is coming and it is passed over the cooling coil, it is cool and dehumidified. So the moisture has been condensed out. Okay, and the remaining air will be come out. So the difference between these two specific humidity, we can say that that much amount of water condensed. Okay, 0.020 minus 0.010, that means 0.010 kg per kg of dry air. Okay, but in question it has been gram per kg of dry air, so just multiply with 100, so you get 10 gram per kg of dry air, and this is our final answer, 10. And round off to nearest integer, it is asked in question, that is 10. So our answer is 10. I hope you understand the how much water is condensed. That means whatever air is entering, it will pass through the cooling coil, and after cooling and dehumidified, it is coming out from section 2. So whatever the humidity loss that has been given by the difference in specific humidity. So this is a important concept of this whole question. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so please like this video and subscribe our channel for daily this kind of questions that has been asked in GATE or ESE. There has been some unique concept that you required. Okay, thank you for watching.